You're about to get local by the homies. That's what's going on right now. So.
Hey, tell them, Paulie.
Hey, what's good?
Tell them. You're kicking and screaming, but I fit every fucking rule. See?
That's bullshit, man. That's fucking bullshit.
He's retarded.
We want to talk to you about how you can win one of our old 10-pound bottles.
Any merch purchased on HeyTrainFox.com or JimmyDaleRacing.com from now until Black Friday enters you into a daily giveaway to win one of these free 10-pound bottles. They came right out of my car and his.
Yeah, daily. I can't even believe we're doing this. But daily, we're going to draw a winner every single day. You could even go to either website, Hate Train Fox or Jimmy Dale Racing, and buy any Poland merch. Also be entered in a chance for the giveaway. These bottles came out of our cars, guys, so there may be some scratches. Look, I taped this one up because I dinged it up a little bit.
This one's got a big old scratch right here, but I mean, we're not perfect. We still get the job done. So
yeah, these are winning bottles, okay? They'll do the same thing in your car that they did in my car and Brent's car, all right?
They won us a good amount of money.
Yeah, good amount of money. So you go to HateTrainFox.com, you go to JimmyDaleRacing.com, buy any merch from either of the websites. You'll be entered in a chance now until Black Friday to win one of these 10-pound bottles. Your boy just left little Billy's soccer game. It was intense, bro. It was intense.
Viva la Pueblo! Pueblo no bueno!
Billy knocked this kid over and he went flying 15 feet, little big Mexican kid. Billy said, man, you gotta quit eating so many tortillas because you soft, boy. We're here at our favorite place to eat, Spicy Mexico. Hey, Bill, why was that kid so soft?
He needs to stop eating so many tortillas.
This is America! This is the house of America!
Boy, we on our way to Thunder Valley. They said we running late. Boy, I got this thing pedaled to the metal, headed down northbound, coming down. Come on, baby, talk to me.
Ready to go, or else we turn the lights. Is anybody having any questions thus far?
Hey, when they see a real daily driver car, look at all of them. Let's pick it apart. Pick it apart. They contesting us that we shouldn't be in daily, but the guy's over here, so. I've only been 5:15 in daily trim. 5:15, 144.
Yeah, we can put it on YouTube.
Exhaust must be passed out. My fault? Yeah. I'll just go like brake stuff on the DOT radios only. It says nothing about what tire size, what width, or anything like that. 15, 17, 18, 20 things they got to say. It says DOT radios only. No PDR, no slips. Must have all interior, not factory interior. Must have interior. That's a very great open area, guys. As it says, must have all interior. No exceptions. And from what my guys are saying that checked it, that it had the interior. Am I right or wrong? Okay.
Hey, you just mad somebody built a car that fits daily rules.
Race cars. Tech will not allow entry if car does not fit spirit of the class.
Hey,
Who's bitching?
because you're kicking and screaming, but I fit every fucking rule, so you can kick and scream all day.
I ain't kicking and screaming. The piece of shit ain't legal. Guys, come on, man. Let's not disrespect, man. That's not disrespect.
You're the same dude who wouldn't let me come race at Hinton because you cried about the rules there.
Not me.
So here we are trying to get lawyers.
Hey,
everybody knows it ain't
your tech
legal.
guys say that it was good?
Jesse,
All right, cool, we're done.
are we allowed? It's in. It's in.
Okay, cool.
It's in.
We're done. There's nothing else to talk about.
See us back. That's bullshit, man. That's fucking bullshit. Okay.
Hey, they're so mad, bro. They're so mad. The dude kicking and screaming about, that's not a daily car. I even came over here and popped the hood on old raggedy 23-degree headed motor. They said it says in the thing, no race cars. That ain't a race car, bro. I drove it here.
I gotta show y'all something.
Oh, yeah.
The rule states that it must have full interior.
Tell me we ain't got full interior. Look at that, boy. Look at that. Beats. Oh, you know what they're bitching about? That's why I don't fit the rules right there.
What?
I got my glove box out.
Oh man.
Damn, bro. We should go tell him that we don't.
You know what we should do for when you pull up for first round?
Huh?
I'm gonna have Rosca help me get in here, and I'm gonna sit in the back seat. So when we come rolling up, be like, hey,
Oh, dude, we're assholes, bro.
Dang
it. We planned on kicking the daily.
That guy, though.
Hey.
We learned it from him.
Yep. We learned this move from this guy.
What is the gray area thing?
Hey, we learned this move from this guy right here. If you guys care what daily driver looks like in my side of the country, go ahead and pause the screen right now. The McKee family is the family who protested me being in daily driver, and I feel like our cars look really similar and are built about the same way. Look, here's their win at Hinton. No wonder we weren't allowed to come race that. She got that bitch on dubs, boy. On dubs.
I got that bitch on dub, got that bitch on dub, and that bitch on dub, and got this shit here on dubs, got them on dub.
Hey Megan, they said monster trucks in lane 1 and 2 over here. Alright, look at that thing, boy. Look at I ain't hating, I'm just saying, you know. She said when daddy got them long travel hand-me-downs, I just take what I can get.
Daddy says you can get new wheels. I say yes, sir.
You bet. They yelling at Jimmy about you don't fit the rules, man. Who said we were allowed to use Pro Mod headsets? She looks like she's going to first round pro stock right now. All right, man, we got some drama going on. All right, we're at Thunder Valley Raceway for Big Mark's Conquer the Concrete race. Big Magic fits daily driver rules, as you may or may not have already seen. I'm sure I'll put that in there. And we're gonna try True Street too, because it's a $100 buy-in. You might as well, maybe. Yeah, probably not. But it's worth a shot. I like the True Street rules, so I feel like I should support that class. I like True Street rules where you have to have a DOT tire. I think that's pretty nice. So we're out here. It's gorgeous. It couldn't be any nicer. This may be the last t-shirt race of the year, and so I'm gonna soak it up while I can. And after this, we headed north. What do y'all think Megan's hype song is? Alright, first round, we busted his ass. What do you expect? Y'all all knew that was coming. That's why he was crying so hard, because he knew he didn't have nothing for us. But good thing for him, church is tomorrow. Since he's scared, he can make it to church right on time. Alright, after a massive oil down, massive, because somebody did a donkey dick wheelie. then drove all the way down the track. We're finally back to racing, all right? We got to race this crazy looking Eagle Talon, and I don't know if we got enough for him, but we'll find out. Hey, you know what I say. I'd rather be good looking and lucky than ugly and good any day. Come on.
Hey, yo, that was a lick, boy. Lick, big lick, salt lick.
All right, we got this damn thing figured out. We won first round, we won second round daily. We're going to the third round of daily. We're in the second round of True Street, and we drew a damn bear. Look at that big old black bear over there. His name's Dallas. Most of y'all probably already know who that is. But I'm running Dallas, second round True Street. I'm just gonna leave the exact same tune that I did in daily. I'm just gonna leave with a trans brake instead of a foot brake. We'll see what works. Damn, I said he's a bear, but apparently I got a magic bear right here. Come on, look. Brother, that's what it takes right there. That's what a daily driver True Street winner looks like. Well, not winner yet, but I won 2 rounds, okay? I'm a little hyped up right now. All these boys out here got all that data and stuff. We just got a torch and a grid, you know? We charge. Huh?
Carbon alternator.
Yeah, carbon alternator, man. That's all we got, old carbon alternator, man. Can't even clean the damn lens on the camera to get the Johnnies off. All right, here we go. We got the third round daily driver. Look, I drew this damn big old polar bear over here. Old polar bear got the Pro Charger on that, Johnny. You got that Pro Charger. Hey, Poland, you think we got this,
bro?
Man, you said ice cream sandwich. I thought I was getting a whole ass ice cream sandwich.
Listen, this is a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich. Try it.
It's not bad. It's all right.
No, wait. It's about to hit.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Pretty good. Not bad. Anyhow, we're about to freeze dry this man right here. He's already freeze dried. Look at his ass. Hey, you know when you show up to the track, enter in 2 classes, and then start going rounds, and then you're like, wait a second, I don't have enough supplies to go rounds. I'm over here weighing every bottle I got, you know, just by picking them up. That's how you weigh them, science. And then now I'm over here bumming freaking gas. Here we go, we're in the finals of Daily Driver. We got this beautiful 69 Camaro over here. It's got a big block in it, boy. What's up?
About to win.
Yeah, let's do it. Sounds good.
Yeah.
We about to deep freeze them. Just like that, with just one daily driver. Man, it was full of some bears, bro. I know I got the biggest one, but you know, it's not like there wasn't some bears. And to think that they didn't even want me in that class, I wonder why, man.